Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna create this look and it is using all the products that you guys picked on Instagram. So if you guys want to know what they are, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Now let's get started with this makeup tutorial. I did this poll a few weeks ago and you guys voted and the results are in. So today we're gonna start with the brows, and the eyebrow pencil that won is this Benefit Brow Contour Pro, and this is what it looks like. This is the newest eyebrow pencil that has the different shades. The only bad thing about this is that it doesn't have a spoolie, so you do have to get a spoolie from another pencil. So I am gonna start with the darkest shade. This is the Brown Light eyebrow pencil, and I'm gonna put down the darkest part and just twist. I do use the lighter shade to fill in, so that's what works for me. Once the outline is done, I use the lighter shade. We are gonna move on to the eyes. The palette that won, it is the Morphe 35B palette. I was lucky enough to pick this up before it sold out everywhere. This palette is very popular and everyone wants it back. And hopefully Morphe brings it back. We will see, or maybe they'll bring out something even better. The first shade that I'm gonna take is this one up here, the second one. I'm gonna start off with this one as my transition shade. I'm just gonna use the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, JH32. I am inspired by I Love Sarai. She recently created a pink look and I just want to try it. I want to give it a go. I know I'm not blonde because she was wearing a blonde wig, but we will see what it looks like. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. I usually post voting polls and everything, so you guys can be a part of that. Next, I'm going to use a darker pink shade, which is down here, this third one, with the Jaclyn Hill brush, a JH31. It's a little bit smaller. I like to extend my eyeshadow outwards. It just makes my eyes look bigger. I'm just gonna jump into the next shade, which is this pink one right here, this brighter shade. This is an amazing pink shade right here. It's so beautiful. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH34. This one, you do want to put it all the way to the inner corner, but you also want to add it to the lid. Next color that I'm going to use is the one on top of it, which is this one. It's more purple than anything, but this is good to deepen it and to, you know, define it out here. I'm just gonna use a darker shade right here at the bottom, which is this one here. I'm gonna do that at the outer corner, and with that one I'm gonna use this tiny brush. This is the JH40. I'm not liking that shade. It's just too patchy. And see, it doesn't add any pigment. I am really mad. The deeper shades are so hard to work with. They are very patchy and they don't have enough pigment. So I am really pissed right now, but it's okay. The shimmer shade that I used is this one from the palette. Right here, this pink one. And I tried wetting it and everything and it just doesn't work. It's just really, really bad. And now for the face, the product, that one for primer is this Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. I haven't used this in quite a while, so let's dig in. My face is feeling a little bit drier nowadays. The foundation that one is this BareMinerals BarePRO Foundation, and I got the shade Light Natural 09. For the brush that I'm using, it is this Morphe Jacqueline JH03. It is similar to the M39, I believe, or correct me if I'm wrong. M439, that's the brush that is similar to. What I don't like about this foundation is just the color. It is very neutral. I do love my warm tone shades, so this one is very, very neutral, more on the grayer side. And the one that I want to pick up, which is a 12, is more warm tone. I think it's called Warm Natural. If you guys haven't picked up this foundation, you guys must pick it up. It's great for all skin types, especially dry to oily. I think it's better for like normal to oily skin tones, since this foundation is more matte. Now for concealer, I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer from Too Faced, this one, and I am in the shade Swan. It brightens my under eye really, really well. It doesn't crease. It's amazing. Thank you for not doing me dirty, you know. Thank you for picking the best products out there. Even on one of them, it was 50-50. I will tell you later. The powder that one actually is really, really nice and it smells so good. And it is the Huda Beauty Powder. I got the shade Pound Cake. And this powder just smells so good. I wish they could make a perfume that smells like this. I do like to do the under eyes first because that is the first thing that starts creasing on me. Like really crazy. The bronzer, that one is this Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer, and this is in the shade Tan-Tastic 104. This has been literally my best friend. I am in love with this bronzer. I just don't want to use it every day. But then how am I gonna run out of this? Literally, this is huge. This is the size of my face. The brush that I'm using is this Morphe M437 to bronze up my face and kind of contour, just slightly. Now I'm gonna spritz my face with the face water, that one, or Fix Plus, or setting spray, which was this one over the Mario Badescu. Now I'm gonna use my highlighter, and it is the Ofra highlighter Star Island. This is a little bit light for me, but we will see. And I'm gonna use the JH09. Look at this highlight. I love Ofra highlights, so I like the fact that this one won over the Gilded Honey. I don't think anyone knows about that one anymore. This one really won by a lot. By a lot. The blush that I'm using is this Lorac Prism blush. This is the one that had a 50-50. So it was this one between BareMinerals, and I just haven't used this one in a long time, so might as well pick this one, Lorac Prism blush. And this is what it looks like. A good thing I picked this one. It is pinky. The mascara that I'm using, and that one is this Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot Mascara. Ooh, this mascara kills me every time. The lashes that I'm gonna use are the Cocoa Lashes and Queen Bee. These ones won over the TL5 from Tati Lashes. I'm just gonna apply these off camera and I'll be right back. I am done with the lashes, and I did apply the bottom lash mascara, which was the same one, the Maybelline. Now for the lips, I'm gonna use my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Queen Bee. A lot of Too Faced products won. I'm glad this one won because it just ties it in all together. I am loving this look. Definitely out of my comfort zone, but I'm loving it. If you do recreate this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram and I will put you on my story if you do recreate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and it is using what you guys picked. So give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.